guys, thanks for tuning into our February Make and Take program. So for February, we have a pretty cool animal craft for you guys. So we're making animal photo cubes. So we're going to show you how to make a cow photo cube and a pig photo cube. So if you guys think these are pretty neat, then stay tuned and I'll show you how to make it.
Okay, so we'll begin with the pig cube. So if you're going to do the pig cube, I would suggest having some pink paint. This pink paint is pretty easy to find. You can find it for $1 at Michael's or Walmart. That's where I got mine. And so what you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to paint all sides of the cube pink. It'd be best if you go with even strokes, and then if you think it's not bright enough or dark enough, you can go ahead and add another layer if you'd like. Next, what you're going to do is, you see this white piece right here? So with your white foam sheet, you're going to want to draw a circle, and that circle, you're going to cut it out. Next, after you've drawn the circle, you can use the pink foam sheet that was given to you, and what you're going to do is draw the ears. So what I'm drawing is the ears. You just want to do like a pointy, kind of a point at the end, but round edges, so like an ear. So you can use the form I did or however you want your ears to look, but this is just the way I did it. And you're going to want to do it twice because you need 2 ears for the 2 pig ears. And then after that, just go ahead and cut it out. Okay, now that I have my 2 pig ears, I'm placing the remaining materials I have and see, how am I going to create the pig? So you can use the red beads to create the snout of the pig. The googly eyes will also go above your white circle, and then the pig ears will go on top. Let's go ahead and glue the white foam sheet. So I'm using hot glue. You can use whatever glue you have available, or if you find another way to attach this white foam circle, that would work too. Next is what I'm going to do is I want to attach the googly eyes above the white circle. And also you're going to want to attach the red beads for the snout on top of the white circle, so directly on top. After you've attached the eyes and the nose with the beads, you're going to want to picture how are you going to attach the ears. So I tried angling my ears. If you find it too difficult, you can just add the ears directly on top of the cube. I'm using here glue dots. Once again, you don't have to use glue dots or hot glue. If you have regular glue, whatever you find works, and just do them like that. And then what I decided is pig ears are kind of folded, so I folded the tip of the ear to the base of the ear, and it came out like that. And for the final touch, with your pipe cleaner, you can spin it, make it a twirly pigtail, and attach it to the back. And then you should have a pig photo cube. So you could be completed with your pig photo cube there, or if you'd like, you can attach cotton balls to the bottom of the photo cube and use it as legs for the pig. So this is optional. I thought it might create a nice touch to it. So if you have cotton balls, you can go ahead and glue them to the base of the photo cube, and then your pig will have some legs. The final touch. So if you added the cotton balls, it would look something like this. Pretty neat. Okay, So for those of you that didn't want to do the pig photo cube, you might want to do the cow photo cube. So for the cow photo cube, I decided to use black paint. So once again, if you have black paint at your home, you can go ahead and create this one or buy the black paint for $1 at your local store. So once again, do your even strokes. If you don't think it's bright enough, you can do another coat again, but I found that the black paint worked pretty well and with one coat. Okay, so next, with your tan foam sheet, you're going to want to trace out a circle for the face of the cow. Just like the pig, so if you have a circular object, you can place it on top of your tan foam sheet and then cut out a circle. After that, using your black foam sheet, we're going to want to create the ears of the cow. So you can see the shape that I made here. Just do a round ear, and then once again, you're going to remember, you're going to want to do it twice. So with the foam sheet you have, just make sure you save enough space so that you can create 2 ears for the cow. After you've cut out the ears, the next step would be you're going to want to cut out little black kind of oval shapes, and you're going to place this for the face of the cow, creating his nose. So once again, you're going to have to cut out 2 of those. And with the tan foam sheet again, you're going to want to cut the inner ears of the cow. So these circle ovals are going to go on the top of the black ears that you cut. So you can create it here, and then so just make sure you have 2 of them, and you're going to place those on top of the black ears like that. And then once you've realized how you would like it to look, you would glue the tan foam ovals on top of the black ears, and you would also glue the black snout for the cow on top of the circular tan foam sheet. And now, with your white square, just like cows are known to have their shape and their spots, you can create different shapes just like this. They're not perfect circles, but whatever you see works. And just go ahead and draw those, and then you would cut them out, and you're going to use these to attach to the photo cube. Now that I've cut out all my pieces and the ears are complete, what I'm going to do is start gluing things. So you can put some glue and use that to attach the black and tan ear to the side of the photo cube. Once again, I'm using hot glue. You can use regular glue or whatever glue you have available, or any way that you find would make a great way to attach the ear to the cow. And I will just repeat that process and do it to the other side. What I'm going to do is the fun part, adding the white spots to the cow. So with this, I would recommend spreading it out. You can put some on his left side, his right side, on top of the cow, and just in different formations. You know, cows don't have their spots in any particular way, so whatever way you would like, that's the way you should do it. Just make sure you have enough to spread out, and try putting one on each side of the cow. next thing you can do is, after you've added the spots, is go ahead and attach the face. So just put some glue on the underside of the tan circle, and then make sure you leave enough space to attach the googly eyes above the tan circle, and you'll see it's starting to look like a cow. Okay, and now for the final step, we're just going to attach the googly eyes. So you can use whatever glue you have available, whatever way you can attach your googly eyes to your cow. So I went ahead and added my first googly eye. And now for the final step, I'm going to add the second googly eye to the cow. And if it's all done, it should look like this when it's completed, and you'll have a cow photo cube.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another Make and Take program from the Covina Public Library. Remember to stay tuned next month for another Make and Take program. I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for crafting with Chris.